Hi, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I have new flash sales from the Yarn Factory outlet. If you're new here, welcome. My channel is all about teaching you how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Please like, share, and subscribe. So yarnfactoryoutlet.com is the website, and they have a flash sale. Bernat Handicrafter Cotton, 90 cents per ball, and that is 100% cotton. It is 84 yards per ball. It's machine wash, machine dry, and it's a 4-weight. I will give you instructions on how to order at the end of this video. So these are off shade. So if you want to get this, get enough that you need for your project. So there's blueberry, classic navy, country red, and again, these are off shade. Now, there's nothing wrong with the off shade stuff. It's just like a little bit off color, and hot green. So again, make sure you order enough for the project you're going to make. Next, we have Patton's Cobbles, 40% off. It's $5.40 a ball. And this is kind of a roving that's kind of tied with, like, I don't know, 41 yards per ball, 45% wool, 49 acrylic, 2% nylon. Number 6, super bulky. And we have Poppy and Fern. Oh, it's hand wash and dry flat, guys, just so you know. Beet and Blue Shadow. And Winter White, Char Gray, Moon Rock, Tetra Teal, and Dreamy Pink, and Frosted Plum. So that is Patton's Cobbles. This is Patton's Grace, 30% off, $3.29 per ball. And this one is 100% mercerized cotton, and it's 136 yards per ball. Hand wash, dry flat. A number 3 DK lightweight. Black and Blush, Lotus and Cardinal, Fiesta, and Ginger. Aquifer, Navy, Citadel, and Viola. Now these did come in a bunch of colors. Lavender, Clay, Orchid, and Snow. Next, we have Patton's Lincoln Fog, 30% off at $5.88 a ball. This only comes in like very light shades. I don't know if that's because it's called fog. 75% acrylic, 25% wool, 190 yards, number 5 bulky, and it's machine wash and dry. White and Mother of Pearl. Linen, wisteria, limestone, lake ochre, and bark. Interesting. Wine, pool, nest egg, leaf, brick red, blush, steel, and charcoal. Patton's Silk Bamboo is 30% off, $4.33 per ball. And this one is 70% viscose from bamboo, 30% silk, 102 yards, hand wash, dry flat, and number 3 DK light. And the color Sea and Orchid. Let's get that nice shine because it's bamboo. You see it there? That's nice. Ivory, coal, stone, sapphire, and moss. And blush. Then we have some sugar and cream, 90 cents per ball. And those are 100% cotton, 95 yards, machine wash and dry, and it's a 4 worsted weight in the color Blue Moon and Poppy. Sugar and Cream Super Size. Again, this is another off shade, so buy all that you need for your project. $1 per ball. In the shade, which is 190 yards, 100% cotton, machine wash dry, and it's a worsted 4-weight. So we have the blue color, black with orange, and I thought there was another one. Oh, hot blue, and black with orange, which would make some nice Halloween projects. And what's the other one? Green Twist. Now that one reminds me of the current release of Premier's Dollar Tree. That looks like Sage Marl. I could be wrong though. What do you guys think? Comment down below. So, and then there's also some hooks and needles for sale. So all these hooks and needles are $1 each. To order from Yarn Factory Outlet, you are going to email info, I-N-F-O, at yarnfactoryoutlet.com. I will put that down in the description box. And you need to give quantity and color for each one that you want. Somebody will call you back and have a sheet of what you put in for the order so you can check and make sure it's correct. And then at that point, they will tell you the shipping. Keep in mind that all of this is in Canadian dollars. So have a creative day, everyone. Bye-bye.